exotic new way to fill your coffee cup. And right now, any size Wawa coffee is only 79 cents, so there's never been a better time to try something new. Come on in and enjoy a delicious, freshly brewed cup of Wawa coffee for just 79 cents. And if you give our new Cuban roast a try, you'll see there's excitement in every sip. Gotta have the Wawa. Limited time only. See store for details. When it comes to staying healthy, it matters who you trust.
That's why I simply trust my doctor.
Me too.
And the best thing is, my doctor is on Simply Healthcare's network.
Why do you smoke at least 10 non-menthol cigarettes per day? Do you currently have no intention to quit smoking? Are you in general good health? If so, the Tobacco Research Study is seeking healthy adult smokers to participate in a clinical research study involving an investigational tobacco product. To be considered for participation in this study, you must have...
I've not seen my burned out kitchen.
Thank you, Travis. I think it's time you look into Publix fresh cook and bag dinners. Just go to the seafood